Actually, the spot where this very innocent girl has been hurt, devastated. It's very sad that it's not even a distance. It's like it's not even 30 seconds, it's 10 seconds from the main road. So I'm shocked that something so cruel and inhuman has happened to her. And I do not appreciate and I condemn the statement that has been come from the government. We expected more empathy and compassion from the government. I was really hurt and disappointed when the government said that this was by consent, and then later on the government gave a clarification. I think it's very sad that the government is being so insensitive about women's safety. I condemn any such, and I, with full humility, request the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra to tell every stakeholder in his team to please be sensitive towards women's issues and the atrocities that are against women right now in the state. And data speaks louder than words. The central government data proves that crime against women has gone up in Maharashtra. It's sad that a woman has been tortured, she has been hurt, and even when it's such an extreme situation, the government should have shown more empathy and compassion towards the victim. She's a victim. Governments are here to support and protect the citizens, not offend the citizens. So it was very sad, disappointing. I condemn any such statements, and ever any other elected member from this government makes such insensitive statements about the women of this state, we will be moving the court against them. I am asking for the last 2 weeks appointment with the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, because I think all of us women want to keep politics aside. We first want justice for Swargate, for Pune, for Beed, for Parbhani. I hope, and I full humility appeal to the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra we understand he has a lot of work, but we, with full humility, ask for time as women, as elected representatives. He needs to understand the other side of the story, because I'm concerned that I'm not aware what he's been told and he's been informed through his agencies, because I can't believe that he would be so insensitive after hearing all the data which Mr. Das and all our colleagues have been informing him.